because we are dead smack in winter time, but you can barely see snow on the ground. All right, we are back in business. Good afternoon. It's Friday, January 10th, 2025. And we are walking along Oriole Parkway in Midtown Toronto. I am testing out my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 as well as the DJI mic mini that I recently bought for this, and we're gonna do a quick walking vlog. I am basically going to walk for around 10 minutes going to the Davisville subway station, where I will take the train going down to Union Station and then hopping off to get on a streetcar that's gonna take me to Queen's Wharf, Fort York, that area, because I'm meeting up with some of my friends at their condo for some Friday afternoon things. So yeah, we are going to take a quick turn into Chaplin Crescent, and that is the 14 bus that just passed us through. Bus number 14 goes all the way to Glencairn in Caledon, I think, from the Davisville bus station. That is usually the bus that I take when I need to get to work. I hop on the 14 bus and then I get off at the Glencairn subway station. So yeah, we are just going to nicely walk along Chaplin Crescent this afternoon. This is probably one of the nicest neighborhoods in Toronto. I mean, if you just look at the houses, this one has a chalet style facade, and some of them still have their Christmas decoration on, even though it's the second week of January. Like, look at those, the lights are still on there. Some of this balloon decorations have deflated. Anyway, it is currently minus 3 degrees actually, here in Toronto. It has been really cold the past few days, but if you ask any local who has lived in Toronto for a long time, this is still actually pretty warm for this time of year, because we are dead smack in winter time, but you can barely see snow on the ground. If we look over to our right here, That is Oriole Park. And all the trees are bare right now, but in the summer and also in the fall, that is a beautiful park to visit because the foliage is very nice. And it has a few amenities for kids as well as some sports activities like tennis, pickleball, all that kind of stuff. They have those as well. We don't usually actually go to that park, even if it's pretty close to where we live, because there's no off-leash dog park in there. And our two dogs are pretty unruly and have no manners, so they will not be doing great at Oriole Park. This is another shortcut going into Oriole Park, and I think we are just about 1 to 2 minutes away from the Davisville subway station. When you get there, you'll also get to see the TTC headquarters, where basically all of TTC's operations and corporate stuff take place. That is actually that building right there. That has been there since the first time the TTC tracks on line 1 have been laid. So there's a cute dog in here. All right. As we get closer to the subway station, we'll also be able to see a bit of the tracks, because Davisville is one of the few stations for TTC that is technically above ground. I mean, it's sunk in this ditch, but it's not like out of view of people. And it also has a train yard area here where the trains could switch if there's a bit of a defect. Now if we look down here, that is the tracks for the Davisville subway station. Let's see if a train would come by and show us, but I don't hear anything right now, so I guess we'll just continue our journey inside the subway. So like many of the Line 1 stations here in Toronto, the Davisville subway station is right smack on Yonge Street, which is, they say, is the longest street in the world. Oh my god, look at that cute dog. Davisville. Davisville has this beautiful artwork at the trains just arrived, so probably gonna miss both of them. Well, I'm just southbound anyway, so just one. But I guess I'll just wait for the next one. Okay, I think I'll end my video right here. Thanks for tuning in for this quick walking vlog. Going off to Davisville subway station, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye. Snap. Fresh powder snap. It is snowing the F out here in Toronto. Walking home in a snowstorm. I don't know if this is a good idea to be recording this, but look at that. It's actually very pretty. I mean, it was a tough drive, but the road looks beautiful. Hope everyone is staying dry and driving safe on this snowstormy Friday night. Us, on the other hand, are just about to reach our home while the snow is pouring down. It's been quite an eventful day. We did some groceries, Like ice skating. Met up with some of our friends. Oh my god, look at us parking. Look at all the snow glistening. It is absolutely buried in snow. Again, like I said, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, but it's hard to walk under these conditions. Thankfully, since it's fresh powder, it's not yet that slippery. But tomorrow is gonna be so icy. And,
This is the beautiful snow
yeah,
because
the
it's
cute
powdery.
cute, pretty, magical type of snow. You should do the snow angel. You should do a snow angel.
New way you can
See, look at them all. They're playing in the snow. Our neighbors.
Your marites outside.
Are those the same ones?
Good one.
Oh, but the road's starting to get a little bit slushy compared with this sidewalk. In just a bit, they'll be plowing the road for tomorrow. Oh my goodness. No. Snow's getting on your bag. Okay, we are home. Safe and sound. So, that was quite an adventure. Now we gotta get rid of all this snow.